Good afternoon, you YouTubes, you. Right, I've done a bit more work on the Hurricane. Swapped the Dynam retracts out for E-flite BL15 size or 15 size units for 1.2 meter scale models. Interestingly, they look almost identical to the ones that came out the Dynam, so they probably came out the same factory. So I don't know whether replacing them is going to cure my undercarriage woes or not, but notwithstanding that, we have the flaps redone as well, and they're all painted up and looking pretty. Right, wind is coming pretty much straight down, maybe about 10 degrees out from that direction. Put one click of flaps in for takeoff. Let's check controls. Right, left, up, down, and right and left. Okay. Wind is about 6-7 miles an hour, maybe gusting 12, but there haven't been many gusts. So throttle cut off. Let's see what we can see. Here we go. Okay, flaps away. And then let's hope that the undercarriage will play ball. Here she comes. Well, well, well. Well, that's all good on that front so far. So let's dip it out of the safe mode. I always use safe if I've got it, or if I'm not feeling 100% sure of things. And I'm not going to try and land it back on the concrete. It's a bit of down. Yeah, I've broken too many models, wrecked too many undercarriages. It's going to be grasshopper landings, but hard standing takeoffs. Right, what's she doing? She could do with a bit of aileron trim. Which way? She's banking right, so a bit of left. Yes, those flaps look quite tidy now. They're made of thinner material. It's a 1mm plastic that I think Sleck use for cowling mouldings and things on the larger models. I think it withstood the rigours of takeoff. Birds. Let's go for a big loop. And my oh my, that was a big loop. One thing that impressed me about this model. Nowhere near my flight line. I'm a bit nervous about this. It always, always a little bit on edge flying it because I've had so many calamitous events with it, but my oath, doesn't it fly well? And it looks the part. It so looks the part of a Hurricane Mark 1. Aircraft somewhere out there. Oh no, not an aircraft, it's a motorcycle. It was some sort of microlight or something. Okay, right, time is passing, so we've had one successful raise of the undercarriage. Shall we see if we can get the legs down? Yep, they're both down. That's good. One click of flaps in. Now the wind's changed a little bit, so I've got to come down. Still going to land in the direction I took off in. Oh yeah, not like that though. Not like that. Let's go round again. Whoop. Okay. Yeah, I thought I was being a bit ambitious. No, I'm not aiming for the concrete, but yep, she always does that. Shame I missed all the cut grass. Mon Capitaine did first cut of the year, but I completely managed to miss it. Never mind. Flaps down. Yeah, there she is, graciously on her back, but I don't care. She's back down safe. Anyway, let's put her on the concrete and sign out. Here we go. Well, I'm pleasantly surprised. That was the most pleasurable flight I've had with this model for a very long time, and I mean years of a long time. Oh yeah, look, the aerial's gone a bit ski whiff. And that nose overlanding. Shame, because it was flaring out quite nicely over the cut grass, and then of course I overflared it and it took it into the long stuff. Never mind, it flew. Hurrah! Hurricane, a happy hurricane pilot again. You know the drill. Stay safe, keep tin hats on, and please do come watch another PRCA video as soon as you like. Gina and the reinvigorated Dynam Hurricane signing out. Hey, bye!